How to make a Shein account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can make a Shein account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to make a Shein account, all you have to do is just make sure to launch the Shein application over here. And once you launch the Shein app, you're going to see this type of interface where you can just come to the Me tab from the bottom right of the screen here. Now go to sign in or register option from the very top of the screen. If you already have an account, by the way, you can just go ahead and then log in, or you can choose to enter a separate mobile number or an email address that you want to create with Shein. Now if you have Google or Facebook or your Apple ID, you can also actually join using those. It's relatively easy to do that. Or you can simply enter an independent email address that maybe you'd like to use for some reason here. Once done, just tap the continue option. It's going to send a verification code, and you also want to make sure to actually create your password. Once you create your password, you can tap the sign up option over there. This way you should be able to make a Shein account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.